there! If you're looking for serious power for heavy-duty work, you're in the right place. Welcome to Bonnen Batteries, where innovation meets reliability. Today, we're excited to share one of our latest innovations with you. A heavy equipment battery system built specially for tough jobs in mining, construction, and farming. It's designed to handle harsh conditions with smart energy features, strong safety protection, and reliable performance every step of the way. This battery system packs a total of 36.2 kilowatt-hours of energy and runs at a rated voltage of 416 volts. It operates smoothly between 364 and 455 volts, so you get steady power even under different loads. What really sets it apart is how integrated it is. The lithium battery pack, liquid cooling system, and onboard charger are all built into one smart, compact unit. This all-in-one setup makes it easier to install, boosts cooling performance, and saves space inside electric machines. Now let's take a quick look at the front of the battery system. We've got a Type 2 AC charging port rated for 220 volts and 32 amps. Plug it into a standard AC slow charger, and you'll get a full charge in about 6 hours, perfect for overnight charging. Here's the MSD, rated at 160 amps. It lets trained technicians safely cut off the high voltage power during maintenance or setup, helping prevent shocks or accidental startups. Here's the emergency shutdown switch, a simple safety feature that lets you quickly cut power in an emergency. Right below, there's an 8-pin communication port. It's used for real-time diagnostics, BMS data, and screen connections, great for field monitoring and debugging. Over on the right is the 24-volt activation switch. Press it once to turn the battery on. The LED lights up. Press it again to shut it down. The light goes off, so you know the system's off. And down at the base, there's another MSD, also rated at 160 amps. It gives you an extra high voltage disconnect point for added safety. Moving on to the cooling and OBC compartments, inside, you'll find a larger liquid cooling fan responsible for thermal regulation of the entire battery system, a small internal fan that cools the onboard charger. The cooling fan is PWM controlled with adjustable power and can reach up to 350 watts, delivering a powerful airflow of 2,400 cubic meters per hour. This ensures your battery stays cool and safe even under intensive workloads. With its robust construction, intelligent interface, advanced thermal management, and user-centered design, this product is an ideal power solution for electric machinery operating in tunnels, open-pit mines, construction sites, and agricultural fields. Thank you for watching. At Bonnen Battery, we are dedicated to providing professional services, reliable energy solutions, and top-tier technical support. We look forward to working with you, and we'll see you in the next video.